You know what, guys? It's raining heavily, but it cannot stop me from having my normal lecture work. That is to prepare me to start a new week positively and just prepare myself mentally for a new week. I'll take you along, like this place right now. I mean, it just rained heavily, and I was like, I'm not going. But then I changed my destination. I was to go to a forest. And in this forest, it's even removing foam. I think it's because of the contact between the car's tires and the ground. It's so busy. Everyone is just on a hurry to catch up a bus and go back home. But Sarah is going for work.